Okay, so some of you guys asked me for a video on the Predator Micro V3 with the settings from Bardwell's video where he tuned up the Rotor Riot edition of that camera, which is the mini version. So those are the special settings from that video. I'll link his video in the description. But if you want to see the original video I did with this camera on the default settings, I'll link that camera or that video in the corner. You can compare this video to that one. Also, that video is going to be in 4:3. This video is going to be in the 16:9 aspect ratio because some of you guys asked me to switch the camera over to 16:9 so you guys can see the difference in terms of what the distortions are like on the outer edges of the field of view. I don't know if you guys don't like that. I honestly didn't notice that much difference between either one. Now, in terms of the settings, I actually prefer the default settings versus the Bardwell settings. I think that the default settings aren't as washed out, but you get less shadow detail in the default settings. So kind of go with which one you like. You guys can look at both videos and make your own comparisons and then kind of tweak the settings to the preferences you particularly like.